Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So I'm in a different Dollar Tree than what I usually go to, but this one has a Dollar Tree Plus. Look at that. This is $3. These are $3. Hole in the Ghost. All right, so this is going to be a little bit of Halloween and a little bit of fall, because most of the stuff we've seen already. If you have not seen the other 3 videos, please go check those out. But these are $5, because all of these we've seen already. The only thing that we didn't see over here are these cute little signs right here. So they have Harvest, Grateful, and Thankful. And have these picks.
You see some? Look, this is the only aisle right here. Look, this is the only.
Oh, those are some new little signs too. My favorite color is October. Then they have that one. It says Feeling Thankful, and then Fall Blessings. Fall in Love. The rest of these are in the previous video. Gather, Harvest. These are $5. 3D Wooden Pumpkin, $5. And $3. Gather Together. $5. These are $5. Gather. And I think there's another one, yeah. Blessed. Gather, Blessed. Let's see what's over here. Yep, just please check out the previous videos for everything I'm passing over, because I promise you we've seen it already. Except these, we didn't see these. These are, I believe I did a Facebook short, but I didn't do a full video for these. So they have the Happy Fall, y'all. Thankful and Blessed. Happy Pumpkin Spice Season and Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. These are still here. All those pumpkins are back. And you have the little acorns. So they have it in an orange, a green. The light is glaring. And a white. With the gold stump. And these. Have a little gold foil one, and then this little rose gold one. Skull snack bowls. These are $5. I'm so used to saying everything is $125. Oh, these are cute. Ornament decorations. We did see these in our previous trip, but they're still here. Pumpkin clips. Let's see, green and orange. These were here from last year. Farm Fresh Fall. These little pumpkins. pumpkin picks, different colors, and they have acorns. And I didn't see these. These are cute. And then the pumpkin clips, these are a little bigger. These are still here. Fall Sweet Fall, they have those. Pretty much everything else is a repeat. I'll make sure to link all the videos down below in the description box. Oh, some more plus items. This is so exciting. I'm in Georgia. Usually when I do film, I film from my home state, Connecticut. Well, where I'm living, Connecticut. My home state is Louisiana, but we don't have a Dollar Tree Plus. I feel some type of way about that. These are $5. These are cute. Hopefully they start popping up. $3, Home Sweet Home, Blessed and Thankful. Do you guys have the Dollar Tree Plus in your area yet? Because apparently up north we're a little late to the party. $5. And they have the silver one. These are $3. I see a turkey. I see a turkey. Here it is. No, don't fall. And they have the two-tier decorative tray, $5. Grateful, $5 cutting board. These mats are $5. The baking cups are $5. 50 baking cups. Plush blankets, $5. What are these? Gnome garland, $3. Welcome to our pumpkin patch, $5. Welcome. Hello, pumpkin. It's getting heavy. Blessed and Thankful. All right, my arms can't do anymore. These are $5. Hello, pumpkin. Gather. This one has a leaf on the end of it. Hello, pumpkin. Gather. And what is the green one? In all things, give thanks. And some pumpkin garland, $3. Some more pumpkins. These are $5. These are $5. These are $5. $5. These are $5. Harvest Blessings. Welcome Fall. 30 counted LED leaf lights, $5. And they have this one in the copper and the black, $5. Gather, Hello Fall, $3. Hello Fall, $3. And these are $5. Happy Fall, $5. Oh no, these are cute. The candy corn garland, $3. Some more signs. I think it's the same ones that when we came in were at the front. $5. Ooh. These are $3. They're calling it a creepy plant. $3 fortune teller. Spooky, some more pumpkins. Spooktacular. The candle holders are $3. 5 for the lights. And I have these skulls. These are 5. $5. Candy corn pom-pom garland. Pumpkins, $5. The 2-tiered ghost tray, $5. Our ghost, $5. Be our ghost, spooktacular. These are 3. 5. Those are $3. These are $3. Oh, they got some little squashmallows. These are cute. $5. Little squash pillows. Magic happens. The cat. I think that's it. Now we're going into other stuff. $5. Oh, look at the cute Rugrat shirt. I don't know if that's in my size. I'll check later. Let's see. Boo. Alright. Most of this stuff that we seen too. So I know I sound like a broken record, but just check out the previous videos. And thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, shopping with me inside of Dollar Tree. I just wanted to peek in here and see what they had in here as far as fall and Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next shopping trip. I have some cute ribbon down here. Pom-pom craft kit. Pom-pom craft kit with the scarecrow, the turkey. Look at these pics. Happy Fall craft. This one makes a pilgrim, the pumpkin, and the acorn. This one makes the 2 scarecrows and the flower. Turkey, scarecrow, and the owl.